Hello student, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. I hope you all are doing well. So let us study non-projected graphic aid. Today we are going to study about poster and flashcard. Now first discuss about poster. Poster is one of the enlarged graphic text which display a scientific information. Now poster, it can be permanent or it can be like like temporary based what you prepared. Poster, it may be simple or it may be very in like too detailed information. Now poster that can be used alone or that can be also used like in a series of stories. You are explaining all the stories with the help of poster. Okay, this is all about your poster. Now, definitely, you might have seen lot of posters. Maybe when you walk on the road, lot of posters which explain some offers, some advertisements, something about the film trailer. So many informations we can get with the help of poster. Now, the types of poster. Mainly, we can see here two types: landscape and portrait. Now, landscape poster means where the width is longer than the height. Now, the portrait poster where the height is longer than the width. Okay, that's the main difference when we make a poster. Now, some suggestion, planning or steps of making this poster. One poster contain one idea as usual. You need to think in detail what you're going to present in your poster. Simple language. Use a bold letter. Don't use any stamp or italic style when you write any content here. Use a standard format. No spelling mistake. Try to make a creative picture so that you are able to catch the attention of your audience. Use different colors. Also make sure that from the distance these colors are visible. It's very clear. Also, you see that where we are using this poster, whether it is a permanent poster you're making or we are able to transport. So, depending on that, we are preparing the material. Okay. Then, when you prepare the poster, also we should keep in mind that it should be like prepared so simple that convey information even to the uneducated or illiterate person. That's the main goal of preparing this poster. Now, the advantage of poster. It is easy to prepare. It is easy to convey the information. Large number of group can be make use of this poster. Poster which help us to explain the complicated matter in a simple way. Complicated matter, illustration, pictures can be explained. That ideas can be derived in the posters. It will create the interest in the individual and even it make the students more creative. If they want to make use of this poster, even the teacher or student, their thinking will improve. They will be more creative to prepare this poster. And the disadvantages. Size may be too big to transport. You cannot preserve it because of its size. That will be a barrier. As well as the poster is placed maybe in a right place, but the seating arrangement what you made in the classroom, that is not so comfortable to look at the poster. Now the audience or the learner may not have a view on this poster. So that will be one of the disadvantages of poster. Okay, so we dealt about poster. Next we are moving to flashcard. Now we are discussing about flashcard. These flashcards are the small compact cards which flash the ideas on the audience when you're explaining your concept. Maybe these flashcards, I don't have a sample here, but thing is that it will be like this card where you have to maintain the size. This is a book actually what I'm telling, but this is a way you'll be having your flashcard where the size of the flashcard may be 10 into 12 inch or 21 into 28 centimeter to maintain that a size of that flashcard. Now this flashcard is mainly used by the students. You may be knowing as a student whenever you want to do your health education presentation, you are making use of this flashcard. Now 8 to 12 flashcards can be used to explain one concept. But always keep in mind these flashcards are separate single cards. They are not bonded together. Which one? What is bonded together? Yes, flip chart. 8 to 12 cards are bonded together with a spiral. That is called flip chart. But now we are discussing about flash card. Okay, these are the separate single cards. Right now, I really sorry that I don't have that sample. Okay, now anyway, let me explain. Now, how do you prepare this flashcard? Select the content first. Once you selected the content, you cut the flashcard into a right size. What is your requirement? One flashcard contain one idea, one picture. Then use a simple language, no spelling mistake, variety of color, creativity, no slanting in handwriting, and no spelling mistakes. Okay, whenever you want to present, you can keep on exchanging your cards one by one. Now, very important, how do you hold your flashcard? See, you should always hold the flashcard like this. This is the way you'll be holding your flashcard to the chest level. As well as you should have one pointer to explain that. You cannot use your hand like this. You need to have a scale or any pointer. Okay, this is the way that to our chest level we are holding the flashcard. With the help of pointer or pen, you will be pointing each point what you're explaining. Now, without pointer, if you explain what happened, you are covering your palm to the content what is there in the flashcard. One more thing is that we are using a flashcard for the group of 5 to 10 members. At the most 15, but that will be difficult. 5 to 10 members, we can make use of this flashcard, and right technique is at your chest level, so even you can look into the content if it is required. Also, we are arranging in a sequence so that one by one you can change your flashcard. So this is one of the ECET AV8 which used by the nursing students to prepare or to present their health education. You may be very familiar with that. I hope so. Okay, now what's the advantages of flashcard? Quite easy to prepare, nothing much, it's not so expensive, very economic, reasonable price. You need little skill how to cut, how to paste, how to maintain all the size, and with a good handwriting very easily you can present. As well as one chart contain only one idea, so there is no confusion at all. You can create the interest, you can motivate the learner so that they can have a look into your flashcard. You are catching the attention of your group members. So this will help you to keep your education on so that they are not distracted. You are trying to catch their attention and you are giving a right education to your audience. Now, what's the disadvantages? As usual, you are having a very bad handwriting. You are not interested. You don't know this creativity, art, craft, drawing, cartooning, nothing you know. Then it's difficult to prepare these flashcards. As well, you don't know how to summarize, you don't know how to select the hard concept from the entire chapter to prepare the flashcard. Then again, no use of making this flashcard. As well, you cannot use it if the group is too big. If group is more than 10, 15, 20, 30 members, then you cannot adjust with this flashcard. That's one of the biggest drawback. So dear students, today we discussed about non-projected graphic aid 2. Which one? Yes. Tell me. Oh, don't know? Yes. Today we discussed about flashcard and one more. Yes, it's poster. We discussed how to make flashcard and poster, and please keep it in mind, almost all the AV8's disadvantage will be there, almost similar, and preparation also almost same points you have to write. Neat, clean, no spelling mistake, creativity, all these things you must include in your answer. I hope you understood. I'll see you in the next class with a new concept. Until then, take care and thank you all.